KAIZER Chiefs have finally found a new goalkeeper by the name Jonathan Membo to replace ITUMELENG KHUNE when he retires at KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Welcome to KAIZER Chiefs Corner, where you will hear all the latest news related to KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. KAIZER Chiefs are looking at strengthening their goalkeeping department by signing one of the young top talents from Mupembo by the name Jonathan Membo. So Jonathan Membo was actually recommended by Butende Aishele, who is a former KAIZER Chiefs goalkeeper legend who played back in the 1990s. So you, the fans of KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, have been calling for a change in the goalkeeping department, and our management seem to have listened. So the deal of signing Jonathan Membo is expected to be finalized before the end of the year, as KAIZER Chiefs Football Club are looking to bolster their squad ahead of the second half of the season. But the goalkeeper, that is Jonathan Membo, will actually officially join KAIZER Chiefs Football Club when the January transfer window opens. So the club hopes that the new goalkeeper, that is Jonathan Membo, will bring stability and security to our defense and help us to challenge for silverware. So the current number one goalkeeper at KAIZER Chiefs Football Club is none other than Brendan Peterson, and we all know and we've seen the costly mistake that Brendan Peterson has made even under our latest interim coach, that is Calvin Johnson. So if you have been watching this channel for a long time, you will know that we want Brendan Peterson to be out of KAIZER Chiefs Football Club because we don't think that he is good enough to be the number one goalkeeper of a big club like KAIZER Chiefs Football Club because of the silly mistakes that he has been doing. We also have this guy ITUMELENG KHUNE, guys. Well, as far as ITUMELENG KHUNE is concerned, he's a legend of KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Some even argue that ITUMELENG KHUNE is the best goalkeeper to ever play, not only for KAIZER Chiefs Football Club but for Bafana as well. Yes, we've had the likes of Brian Spider-Man Baloyi over the years, but ITUMELENG KHUNE was something else, guys. KHUNE actually used to sleep with the hands gloves of Brian Spider-Man Baloyi as an inspiration, as he looks up to Spider-Man Baloyi himself. So KAIZER Chiefs have made it clear that it is actually ITUMELENG KHUNE last season at KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, guys, and he won't play as many games this season, and KHUNE himself agreed to that deal. So in his very last season, ITUMELENG KHUNE actually wants to win a trophy with KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, guys. We are out of the Calendar Break Label Cup already. Orlando Pirates have won the MTNA, and as far as the league is concerned, guys, we all know that the DStv Premiership is going to Maraba start to Mamelodi Sundowns. There is still, however, something that ITUMELENG KHUNE can still win with KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, and that is the Nedbank Cup. We hope and pray that it actually happens, that ITUMELENG KHUNE wins a trophy in his very last season at KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. That will be the best send-off to our legend, that is ITUMELENG KHUNE. And us as a club, guys, we need to win some silverware. Another goalkeeper that is still at KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, guys, is none other than Bruce Vuma. Well, as far as Bruce Vuma is concerned, he has hardly featured for some time now. Even last season under coach Tendripo and Athaswani Mageti, Bruce Vuma hardly played a game for KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. I'll never forget Bruce Vuma's performance in the CAF Champions League, guys, especially the game away to Wydad Casablanca, if I'm not mistaken, guys, where Bruce Vuma was actually named the man of the match. What a game we had, Bruce Vuma, guys. Does Bruce Vuma not deserve to be given an opportunity to show us what he can do in goals for KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, especially under our new interim coach, that is Calvin Johnson, guys? As a matter of fact, the contract of all our senior goalkeeper, including Brendan Peterson as well as ITUMELENG KHUNE, like we said, and Bruce Vuma, they are all coming to an end at the end of June next year. So it makes sense for KAIZER Chiefs Club to look for another goalkeeper. We hope that is a top goalkeeper, that is Jonathan Membo. When it comes to KAIZER Chiefs Club, we hope that this guy, that is Butende Aishele, has recommended KAIZER Chiefs a very good goalkeeper that will make sure that our defense becomes strong and we don't concede as many goals as we've been conceding, guys. All the big teams in the world are being protected by good goalkeepers as well as good defense, guys. So those are the news that we had for you, guys. KAIZER Chiefs Football Club are after this guy, DRC 23-year-old goalkeeper Jonathan Membo. What is your take on this news, guys? As a fan of KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, do you want a new goalkeeper like Jonathan Membo, who we actually don't know anything about him? Or should KAIZER Chiefs actually give Bruce Boomer an opportunity to show us what he can do? Maybe he won't make as many mistakes as Brendan Peterson, guys. Or ITUMELENG KHUNE in his last season at KAIZER Chiefs Club, he should actually be the #1 goalkeeper until the end of the season, because we all know what ITUMELENG KHUNE can do. We all know what he has done before at KAIZER Chiefs Club. But this season, whenever he's given an opportunity to play, ITUMELENG KHUNE has actually conceded a goal in all the games that he has played for KAIZER Chiefs Club. Maybe it's time for KAIZER Chiefs Club to bring in another goalkeeper, and this guy, Jonathan Mebo, might be the solution that we have always been looking for, guys. What do you think? Please comment below your thoughts on this news, and please make sure that if you are new to this channel and if you don't want to miss out on any video that is related to KAIZER Chiefs Club, guys, make sure that you subscribe, put on this notification bell so that you do not miss out on any video that is related to KAIZER Chiefs Club. Amakhose amahle.